All right, welcome back, MTH Nation. Today we got a 2016 GMC Sierra. This particular truck is in the full crew cab with the 5.5 foot box configuration. It is equipped with the 5.3 liter Ecotec V8, mated to the 8-speed automatic transmission, and accompanied by the shift on the fly 4x4. Now, looking around this truck, guys, you might presume that why does it look so black? Why does it look so murdered out, per se? This one is actually in the all-terrain configuration, and with the all-terrain, GM did a very good job with these trucks. They actually did away with pretty much everything chrome. So they went to the monochromatic, which basically means color body matching. So front and rear bumpers have been color matched to the remaining part of the body in the Onyx black, as well as the door handles, the window vents, mud flaps, grill, and so forth. This particular truck does have the LED lighting with the 18-inch alloys. Tubular running boards down low. We got the chase rack in the back with the LED lights to help assist at night. Spray in bed liner with the nice cleats to help secure the load all along the bedside. Backup camera. Many options on this truck, guys. We'll move on to the inside and I'll show you more of those. All right, coming into the inside, signature with the all-terrains is the carbon fiber look-alike upholstery throughout. So you have it on the door, you'd have it on the door skins, you have it on the seats, the seat backs. This particular truck is equipped with the wireless cell phone charger. We do have power pedals, traction control, downhill descent, turn on and off the backup sensors. This particular truck is also equipped with Bose premium sound system. We have memory settings, two to be exact. We also have the trailer control, if you're hauling a heavier trailer, or any trailers for that matter. Shift on the fly 4x there with auto 4x4, which is a nice feature for wintertime driving, especially with, you know, a little bit worser weather. Heated seats. It's not on right now, but it does come equipped with the 8-inch GM IntelliLink. This particular truck does have navigation as well. We have heated seats too, dual climate control, power window up above, power sliding rear window, and many more features in this particular truck. Now, guys, the best part about this truck, yes, some of you that follow us have probably seen we've had the truck for a little while. It is a gorgeous truck. We got the Wrangler tires all the way around, about half tread on there, so you're going to be good for another 20 to 30,000 miles depending upon what you're hauling and your driving habits. But the absolute best part about this truck, guys, is it's ready to go, and we just dropped the price. We just dropped the price to $31,999. And what does that mean for you? What does that mean for Minnesota Truck Headquarters valued customer? That means you're going to be buying this truck just shy of $6,500 below NADA retail book value. That's real retail book value with no added accessories, just the standard options this truck has. This truck books out for just shy of $38,500, and we are literally asking $31,999. $6,500 below book value. So if you're looking to do some financing, another great reason, 2016 with only 76,000 miles, we're going to be able to qualify you on approved credit for over 6-year term on this truck. Maybe even longer, depending upon the current situation that you have. So if you have negative equity with being $6,500 below book value, this will be a great unit to help bury some of that and give you a nice, comfortable monthly payment on top of getting a great and gorgeous looking truck. This is not tan, guys. This is black on black on black, just the way you like them. Give us a call today, 320-230-6064. We'd love to set up a time to get you in and check out this gorgeous truck, or check it out online. We'll have a link in the comment section and in the bio at www.yourmth.com. We look forward to seeing you up on the hill. Stay safe, MTH Nation.